Your phone just reminded you of a friend's holiday brunch party, and of course you need to bring a dish. Well, don't panic, because here at A Side Guy Cooks, we've got you covered with Sausage and Spinach Strata. So let's get started. Let's prepare the sausage. Time to prepare the onions. Let's prepare the egg mixture. Let's get some bread ready. Time to build the strata. Preheat the oven before removing the strata from the refrigerator. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Stratas originated in American cuisine in 1902. However, they did not become popular until 1984. Stratas consist of mainly bread, eggs, and cheese. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this sausage and spinach strata on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The combination of sausage, spinach, and cheese creates a wonderful combination of flavor and texture for this dish. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, this sausage and spinach strata is definitely a great idea for the holiday brunch, as everyone will absolutely love it. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like everyone is enjoying the brunch. And of course, the strata looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch the next video.